Once upon a time in a cozy little village, there lived a cheerful boy named Danny. Danny's family was known for their love of adventure, and they often went on exciting trips to faraway places. One sunny day, while exploring a dense forest, they stumbled upon a mysterious cave. As they ventured inside, they heard a rumble, and the cave entrance collapsed, trapping them inside. Danny knew he had to be brave and find a way out to save his family. He searched for hidden passages and solved puzzles with courage and determination. After many hours of searching, Danny found a secret exit, and his family emerged into the daylight. They all cheered and hugged Danny, grateful for his bravery and intelligence. From that day forward, Danny's family realized that their greatest adventure was being together. They spent more time together, enjoying simple moments like picnics and storytelling. Their happiness grew stronger, and Danny knew he had saved not just his family from a cave but also their hearts from forgetfulness. And so, the little boy who saved his family found happiness in the most wonderful place of all, within the love of those he cherished most. They all lived happily ever after, closer than ever before.